I do receive questions about the different types of implant restorations and what your options are. And so, for example, say that you were to lose your very front tooth. An option that's been around since the dawn of time. You can have that tooth removed and then have a one-tooth partial denture, or a partial denture for replacing several teeth. An alternative to that is placing implants where each individual tooth was, and then having single crowns placed on those implants. And then finally, bridges. Maybe every other tooth that you've lost, you'd have an implant and a bridge across it. So I have patients ask questions about those types of options each and every day. And like I said, we still focus on trying to maintain your teeth first. Regrowing back what you've lost, you're always going to be better off with your original equipment.